In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redo in Adobe Express. If you've ever made a change, undone it, and then immediately wished you could bring it back, this is exactly what the Redo feature is for. Redo simply reapplies the most recent change that you previously undid, so you can step forward through your edit history with confidence. Inside the Adobe Express editor, look along the toolbar for the Redo button. It typically sits right next to the Undo button, and you'll usually recognize it by a right-pointing or curved arrow icon. This placement is intentional. Undo moves you backward through your recent actions, and Redo moves you forward again. If the Redo button looks dim or inactive, that usually means there's nothing to redo yet, often because you haven't undone anything in the current editing session. When you need to restore an undone change, simply use the Redo button. One tap reapplies the last action you reversed. If you've gone back multiple steps with Undo, you can click Redo repeatedly to advance through each of those steps in order. As you do, keep an eye on your canvas and any relevant panels, such as layers or properties, to confirm that the specific edits are returning exactly as expected. For instance, a text change you undid will reappear, or a filter you removed will be reapplied. A helpful detail to remember is how Redo behaves when you start making new changes. Once you perform a new edit after undoing, the redo path for the older undone actions is cleared. In other words, Redo moves forward only along the current history trail. New edits create a fresh path from that point. This is normal behavior in most creative tools and helps keep your workflow predictable. If you ever wonder why Redo isn't available, think back to your recent actions. If you haven't used Undo, Redo won't have anything to restore. And if you just made a brand new change after undoing, the redo history may have been reset by that new action. In both cases, the button will appear disabled until there's a valid step to bring back. Using Redo effectively gives you the freedom to experiment. You can confidently explore color tweaks, layout adjustments, or text edits, knowing that a quick use of Redo will bring back anything you just rolled back. It's a small control that makes a big difference in staying flexible and efficient while you design. That's all you need to know to redo in Adobe Express. Easy, reliable, and right where you need it, next to Undo.